Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mindfully Kiki, and welcome to day 13 of Whole, a 21-day yoga journey. And I am Kiki, your yoga instructor, and I am here to help you add a little mindfulness into your life through yoga, meditation, self-care techniques, and more. So today we are going to explore an energy yoga flow. So we will be exploring a few movements that will help to energize our mind and our body. So what you'll need for today's practice is a yoga mat, of course, and two blocks. And these are optional, so you can choose whether you need to use them or not, but it's good to have them nearby so you can pick them up when you need them. So grab what you need and we will get started. So we are going to start in Tadasana at the top of the mat. And I already have my blocks here, just in case I want to use them during the practice. So you can start with your feet together or hip width apart. Either one is fine, whichever feels better for you in the moment. And then ground your feet into your mat, staying straight. Reach your shoulders up towards your ears and then down and back. Arms down by your side. And then we're going to start with 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Again, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Last one, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. And then on your next inhale, go ahead and reach your arms out and up. On the exhale, come into your chair pose. So bend your knees, send your hips back and down. You can come down as far as you'd like. Arms are up in line with your spine. And gaze is forward. Chair pose. Take a breath here. And then bring your hands to your chest, to heart center. Take an inhale. On the exhale, we're going to twist to the right. So we're focusing on just twisting the spine so your chest is facing towards the right side of the room. And then if your left elbow connects to your right knee, that's okay. If not, that's okay. Again, just focusing on our twist. Breathe here. And then inhale, coming back to center, back to your chair pose with your hands at heart center. Exhale, twisting to the left. Same thing here, focusing on your twist. If your right elbow connects to the left knee, that's okay, or left thigh. If not, that's okay as well. Chest is facing the left side of the room. Breathe. And then come back to center. From here, shift your weight to your right leg, lift your left leg, step the left foot back. So we're coming onto the ball of the left foot, having a bend in the right knee. We're in our high lunge right now. You can reach your arms up. Relax your shoulders. Take a breath. And then bring your hands down towards the mat. This is where you can grab your block. So I'm going to take my block under my left hand. And then once you get stable, or once you feel stable in this position, reach your right arm up. Keep a bend in the right knee, and left leg is straight behind you. Breathe here. And bringing that hand to the right knee, the right hand to the right knee. Put your block up to the side. Coming back up into our high lunge. Go ahead and plant that back foot down, keeping a bend in the right knee. Reach your arms behind you. Interlace the fingers, and we're going to come into a humble warrior here. So you're going to bring your right shoulder to the inside of your right knee, reaching your arms up behind you. Breathe here. And then coming back up. Reach your arms up one more time. And then we're going to bring our hands down to the mat. And you'll go ahead and step your right foot back to meet your left. Coming into a plank. So you can come into a high plank or a low plank on your knees with the toes, with the tops of the feet on the mat. Either one is fine. Take a breath here. And then go ahead and lower down to the mat. Tops of the feet are down, hands beside your chest. We're coming into our cobra or our back bend. Roll your shoulders up and back. Lift the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale one more time. Exhale down. Tuck the toes under. And then we're going to lift up to downward facing dog. So lifting the upper body first. Lifting the knees and then the hips. Feet are reaching towards the mat. Take a deep breath. And then we're going to lift our left leg up behind us. Inhale. On the exhale, bring the knee in, shift forward and step. If you feel like you can't quite step forward, lift up, walk that foot forward. And then we're gonna plant that back foot down and reach the arms up. So come into a warrior first, and then bring your hands behind you, interlace the fingers. And then we're bringing this left shoulder to the inside of the left knee. Take an inhale. And exhale, bring the shoulder down, keep a bend in the left knee. Reach the arms up behind you. Take a breath. And then coming back up. Arms up. So this time we are going to come onto the ball of the right foot. So right knee is facing down. Still have a bend in the left knee. This is where you're going to grab your block again for your right hand. Or you can have your hand on the mat. Either one is fine. So bend in the left knee, hand on your block. Reach the left arm up. Breathe here. And left hand to your knee. And put your block off to the side. We're coming up to our high lunge, where we're going to step forward to our chair pose. So stepping forward, and then you can readjust in your chair pose. Bending the knees, bringing the hips back. Arms up. Take a breath. And then bring your hands to heart center. Take an inhale. On the exhale, twisting to our right. Again, focusing on the twist. Open your chest to the right side of the room. Breathe. Inhale up. Exhale, twist to the left. Opening the chest to the left side of the room. Inhale up. Reach the arms up. Last chair pose. Inhale, stand. Exhale, arms down by your side. And we're going to end here as we started. 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Again, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One more time, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. And that's it for day 13. And now I want to hear from you. How did you like this practice? How did you experience it? Let's talk about it down in the comments. And this is a great time for you to do a short reflection of your practice, whether you sit and think about it for a few moments, or you can just write it down. And don't forget to check out my other yoga flows, meditations, and vlogs. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And always remember to add a little mindfulness into your life and be mindfully true, but most importantly, be mindfully you. I'll see you all tomorrow for day 14.